Welcome back. Let's talk about the best deals going on at Walgreens this week. Lots of deals. Let me start with the clearance finds that I found on Saturday. That's typically when the stores around me will start to mark down clearance each week. I found these TNT Pringles marked down to 29 cents. So check your store. If it's not marked, have them scan it at the register just to double check. They may or may not be on clearance for 29 cents at your store. I also noticed quite a bit of the Twizzlers marked down for 50 cents a pack. I will include pictures, as always, of everything I found on clearance at the end of the video. I feel like this week wasn't that great, but there were some good like freebies and moneymakers, and I feel like the soda deals have been really good at Walgreens. That being said, soda deals tend to be regional, so what I see may be different than what you see. So today, if you don't mind, in the comments, let me know if your soda deals are the same as the ones that I'm going to be telling you about in this video just a little bit later. That was all the clearance that I found, the Twizzlers and the Pringles that I purchased that were marked down this week. Again, more clearance items at the end of the video. Let's start with a couple in-store deals. So in-store deals are deals that you want to do in-store for one reason or another, most of the time because they have a register reward associated with them, and you're not going to get a register reward when you do a curbside order. So these Walgreens pads and liners are on promotion for buy two, get a $5 register reward, and these little packs, the 20 count packs, are included in that. So these are $1.49. You purchase two of them, you get back a $5 register reward, making both packs free, and a $2 moneymaker. Now, that register reward is a store coupon, but it says on there $5 off your next purchase of feminine care products. So I know some of you said last week or the week before when I talked about this deal, my store would only let me use it on feminine care products. So it will actually scan on almost any item in the store it will work for, but your cashier may not allow you to use it. I normally just say, hey, I think this will work on these items. They scan it and it takes off the $5, and the cashiers near me don't care. As long as it scans, they're happy. But your success in using that $5 register reward may be different depending on your store. You may in fact have to use it on feminine care products, so just know that going into it. Now, another in-store deal you want to do, was there another register reward deal? Oh, the Garnier. So the Garnier Fructis as well as the Garnier Whole Blends, they are 2 for $8. There is a $3 digital coupon, so you'll pay $5 at the register, get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for both of those items, or $1 per item. Yes, you can do it for the Garnier Fructis and for the Whole Blends, but you want to do those in separate transactions. I didn't do the deal this week because it was not something I needed, so I went ahead and bypassed that. Okay, I think that was all you had to do in store. Let me talk to you about this crest, and I'm going to show you a couple of different things with this. So this Crest 3D White, the Glamorous White, it is $5. There is a $2 digital coupon, so you'll pay $3 at the register. There is a $3 rebate on Ibotta, making this completely free. I scanned it today into Ibotta, and the $3 rebate did pop up. Now, yesterday, Sunday, when I did the deal, I had a $5 rebate on Ibotta, and that one actually attached and went through, gave me the $5. So for me, it was free and a $2 moneymaker. I'm not seeing that offer anymore on my Ibotta, so you'll just have to check and see if you see it on yours. Make sure to scan the product before you buy it to make sure that you're going to get the money back when you purchase the item that you've picked up. Now, clearance for curbside pickup. Let's talk about CoverGirl. There are a number of different ways that you can do this deal. One way for CoverGirl is picking up this eye enhancer. This is $1.79. There is a $3 digital coupon, so if you place it for curbside pickup, you're going to get this item completely free. There's also this clean matte foundation from CoverGirl. It's priced at $2.29. There's a $3 face CoverGirl digital. Again, if you place it for curbside pickup, it's going to take off the full amount of the product, making it completely free. Now, there are Ibotta offers on CoverGirl products, but neither one of these products qualify for those Ibotta offers. So if you'd prefer to do it this way, this is a little bit better deal if your store has these in stock. So this CoverGirl mascara, the blue kind, it is $6.29. You want to pick up one of these using that $3 digital, and then this True Blend, and it was only one shade, the Honey Beige, was $3.29. Now, put both of these items into your cart. They're buy one, get one half off. So the $6.29 is going to stay for this one. This one will show up as $1.74 with that half off price. The $3 digital will come off for this one. The $3 digital is going to take just $1.74 off for this one because that's the full price of the item. You'll pay $3.29, but then submit your receipt to Ibotta where you'll get $6 back, $3 for each of them. So that makes them completely free and a $2.71 moneymaker. So I know this scenario is a little bit more involved, but you get more money back. This one is super easy peasy, but you don't get any of the money back. You just get the items for free. So however you want to work it. I also noticed that Swagbucks has a $3 offer on the face and the eye. So you could pick up additional clearance items for CoverGirl and submit your receipt to Swagbucks. I would just, to be safe, do it in a separate transaction because if Swagbucks sees coupons, it starts to get unhappy. So if you want to take advantage of the Swagbucks $3 back, I would just do that one on a separate receipt. Now, let me talk about the food deals that I did. The cashews are on promotion for $2.98. Just a good price. I picked up a couple bags, and it's all varieties of the Nice brand cashews. The Nice almonds are buy one, get one free. They're $3.99 a pack. That makes them $1.99 per pack after the buy one, get one free sale. Now, the ginger ale. So the ginger ale was 3 for $11.99. That makes them just $3.99 per 12 pack, which is a really good price. And that was ginger ale and the A&W root beer. Other soda deals, if you like Coke, Sprite, or Fanta, those are 3 for $15.99. That makes them $5.33 a piece. The Pepsi products are buy two, get two free. So that makes it 4 for $19.98 or just $4.99 per piece. Unless you want to check out the Starry soda, that one is 4 for $19.98, but there is an Ibotta offer for $2 back on each one, so you would get $8 back, leaving your final cost to be $11.98 for all 4 of those, or just $2.99 per pack. So again, let me know if that's the pricing that you're seeing on your sodas, and maybe even include what state you're in. That way I can kind of get an idea of how regional these regional soda deals are. Now, the other deal I want to show you, and just a heads up, this is not the right size. This is not a product that I'm going to eat or use, so I didn't want to buy it again. I already had these. Again, these are the smaller size. If you want to do this deal, you need to grab the 5-ounce package. They are 2 for $5. There is an Ibotta offer for $1 back when you buy 2 of them, and then there is a Shopkick offer for $3.20 back, making your final cost 80 cents for both of these, or just 40 cents each. And a friend of mine already responded when I posted this deal and said that she really likes these, so I'm guessing they're good. It's not something I've ever tasted. Okay, other deals that you might want to check out. I went through all the sodas. The mayonnaise is $4.49. There was a $2 digital, making it just $2.49. There's Reese's ice cream that's $3.49. If you pick up 2 of those, use a $3 digital. You can snag them for just $1.99 each. And then there's these Walgreens branded items that are $1.99 each this week on sale. Try the code WAG10 and even the code WAG20 if you're placing a curbside order. The WAG20 will take off 20%, WAG10 would take off 10%. Some of the items would allow you to do one or the other. Some of the items wouldn't allow you to use either code, so you may just have to play with it and see what works with what items that you're needing. The other code that you want to check out, and this is the one that I used, if you do a $25 or more order and you use the code FLASH20, you'll get 20% off your order. All right, I think that was everything. If you have questions, let me know in the comments. If you're finding other deals that you want to share with us, please drop those down in the comments as well. Hope y'all have a great week. Thanks.